Hey Jamie, you excited? All you can eat Kogi Korean barbecue and seafood hot pot.
It's lunch. I'm hungry. They're the requirements. Go.
We're filming. Here we go.
Go. Go.
Ooh, this place looks like a rock and roll, really cool place. It's got the pictures on the outside here, as well as the menu and the door. Here we go. Let's go. Yum. Oh my God, first time seeing this place. What? I cannot wait. Oh, I'm definitely gonna enjoy it. What? Look at all the salads. Oh my God. Yum. So we have pickled cucumbers, we've got fish cake, we have kimchi, we have potato salad, we have, is that spicy?
Something.
Radish, that's a radish.
This is
and
radish.
Then they're both radishes.
Oh, are they?
That's a radish wrap, and then this is a spicy radish. Look at all this food. This is the beef brisket. We got there on the happy hour, so all of this was all you can eat for $21.95. We had the option of shabu shabu as well, but we didn't opt in for that. We were just so into this barbecue. Look at how fast that meat cooks up perfectly. That sauce is so good. It's like a tangy, spicy with sesame oil. And they just have so much. So yummy. Oh my God.
Yep.
What are you doing? Hold up. Why are you eating that?
Because it says all you can eat. It doesn't say all you can eat, but only after filming.
But you know I gotta get the shot. What are you doing? What are you thinking? Gross.
Film it.
How did it taste?
Better in my mouth.
Well, go on and eat. Gross! No! This is a little bit of edamame with some sweet chili sauce. Ooh, yum! How's that taco? Yummy?
You know how a conversation works? One person talks, the other person answers. You know how a conversation doesn't work? Someone puts a mouthful of food in their mouth and someone says, right, I've got 15 questions. Well, let's pretend it's lunchtime and we're here to eat food rather than talk about it.
But I want to talk about it.
Okay.
I want to know your feelings, honey.
I feel like I'm not being allowed to eat my food. Hey, so how are you enjoying the meal?
Oh
Isn't
my God.
it different? How do you like it, mouthful of food?
It's so good, and I have no problem talking with a mouthful of food. But
That's
this
not
food
normal.
is delicious. It's so yummy. But hey, now that I know that you can actually film me, I think we just got a new job for you.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
These were the little desserts. I chose the ubi ice cream, Jamie chose the coffee, and what was super cute was they got a little spoon underneath the lid, ready to go. So there's a little to-go thing. Really good ice cream. Oh my gosh, this food was delicious. The potato salad was almost like a corn cake potato salad. It was like so different and so yummy. And the ube ice cream that I got is really, really good. It's a sweet potato. It's a purple sweet potato, and it is absolutely delicious. The food here is amazing. I am a huge fan. This is my first time here.